Look at this weather. Sitting at home today would be a straight-up sin. Sun's hammering down, the sky's clean. It's the perfect day to strap a lid on your skull and just fucking go. And not just any day. This weekend in Ireland, it's the official season opener. Yeah, I hear you. What fucking opener? You lads ride all year round on this island like goats in the rain. True, it's not Lithuania, where your bike sits in a garage for 6 months collecting dust like a goddamn museum exhibit. But still, that opener is symbolic. A reason for everyone to crawl out of their caves, to meet up, not through some bullshit screens, but face to face. And that's the core of it. It's not just the machine between your legs, it's the people. That moment when the pack starts rolling. The sound, not noise, pure sound. It buzzes in your chest, vibrates in your gut, and you feel it. Everyone's here for the same damn thing. All different, sure, but in that moment, we're one wave, one fist. So today's plan is simple, a quick lap. No stress, no racing. Just a burn down to Donadea Forest Park. Never been, so it's a chance to not just ride, but clear the cobwebs out of my head. Escape all the city bullshit, the work that fucks you up, everything. You ride, wind bashing your helmet, and that noise. It cleans out every scrap of trash from your brain. The road slips under your wheels, every turn's like a meditation. That's it. That minute, there's no, what do I have to do tomorrow? No, who said what? It's just you and the asphalt. And that feeling, raw, honest. And here's where it gets deeper. Tune your ears in. If you've ever been around real bikers, not those Sunday office riders, you've seen it. Skulls everywhere. On helmets, jackets, tanks, tattoos, rings. Fucking everywhere, man. And people on the outside think, what's with the skulls? Is this all about death? No, not even close. There's an old grizzled saying, the skull is a protective mark. Like, if you already carry death's symbol on you, then death looks at you and thinks, I already took that one, he's marked. And fucks right off. Sounds like some caveman superstition? Maybe. But there's truth in that biker philosophy. You stare fear right in the fucking eyes instead of running from it, trembling in a corner. But listen further. More importantly, what that skull really means. It reminds you of one simple, brutal, undeniable truth. We're all temporary here, damn it. Every last one of us. Doesn't matter how fancy your job is, how many thousands are in your pocket, your height, or what village you crawled out of. In the end, we all rot in the same dirt. We all end up 6 feet under. And here's the sick paradox. That realization, it sets you free. Seriously. When you're reminded daily you're fucking mortal, you think a bit. You realize everything is temporary. You start doing less shit that doesn't matter. You're less afraid. You stop worrying about what others will say. You start living more, not just existing. Why wait for someday? And there's that holy connection to bikers, to this addiction. Because when you're on that bike, you can't lie to yourself, man. You physically feel the risk. You understand this isn't a game, not a console. You can't just hit restart. And because of that, you live at full throttle. Here and now. Every second sharp as a razor's edge. Truly living. So those skulls, brother, they're not about death. They're about life. A reminder not to wait for that godforsaken someday. Don't live by someone else's fucking rules. If you're going to live, live properly. Full chest, not some half-assed existence. Don't let life pass you by while you're staring out the window. So, yeah, today's a simple lap. To the woods, clearing my head, twisting the grip, feeling freedom. But you get it. It's not about that pin on the map. It's about that whole messed up, beautiful feeling inside. Freedom. The road. And at that exact moment, fuck everything else.